Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Klinger Oscillator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, before we get into testing today's indicator, wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everybody. So, to date, we have tested 17 indicators. And out of those 17 indicators, 6 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio. Even though we are working on building the most profitable trading system possible as a team as we move forward, you could very well take any one of these 6 winning indicators and throw them into the market now and potentially start making money from them. So, go back, watch those videos, write down the list of the 6 winners, and pick which ones you like best and start playing around with them. Alright, so let's get on with today's indicator test. So, Klinger Oscillator. It basically is a 2-line oscillator. You have the blue line, you have the green line. When the blue crosses the green either down or up, it is a sign to go short or long. Pretty simple, and that's what we will be working with. So, let's get this show on the road. We, of course, are on a random pair, like usual. It is the Great Britain pound versus the Japanese yen. And we have our take profit and stop loss designated by the ATR set up here. That, of course, has been explained in other videos. The Great Britain pound versus Japanese yen is quite a fast and big mover, so it tends to swing around quite a bit. I can already tell you that this thing is on the struggle bus, something furious. It is just pinballing in and out and in and out and in and out. It is over trading like mad and just throwing crazy signals. This thing is not looking good at all. I mean, it's catching a few wins here and there, but wow. Even a blind dog finds a bone once in a while. Whew. I honestly think this might be one of the worst indicators that we have tested yet. Wow, this is just bonkers. Not even halfway through the year yet. I am astounded at how bad this thing is doing. Wow. I mean, at this point, guys, I don't even know if there's a reason to continue on with this thing. Wow, this is just absolutely horrendous indicator. I am truly astounded. I mean, most of the time, you know, indicators aren't wonderful, but they are typically, I see them around the 50%. I mean, they miss our 60% threshold by, I mean, just a few trades here and there. Not by much. This thing is just getting absolutely annihilated. I mean, just for the sake of seeing how horrible it is, I'm going to continue on, but there is just no way. I mean, there's absolutely no way this thing is going to make a comeback. Even with all these moves that it's making here, these wins, I mean, it got 3 wins right there in a row. There's just no way. There's no way it's coming back from the hole it has dug itself into. I am truly amazed. One of the worst that I've seen yet. We're close to the end of the year now. This thing has just gotten hammered. Hammered's not even the word for it. Alright, that was actually... wow. Man, okay, let's add these things up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53. Wow. I'm just blown away. Alright, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 winners. So that puts it at about a 24% win rate. That is, without a doubt, the worst indicator that we have tested yet. That thing was all over the place. Man, talk about a pinball. Whew. Wow. So, needless to say, this is going on the big no list here. So, that's it for the Klinger Oscillator, everyone. Yeah, horrible, horrible indicator. So, if you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView, and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below, and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.